Hey everybody, it's Wendy. I'm so excited. The new Occasions catalog has finally released and celebration has officially begun. So this is one of the new products, the Butterfly Gala bundle. This bundle of products is available in the Occasions catalog. Sorry about the camera shake there. So first I am just inking up some butterflies to just kind of show you a couple color combinations. So this is Gorgeous Grape and Coastal Cabana, and I've stamped off once, as you can see there on the right hand side, and then stamped, and I showed you here where if you stamp full strength it kind of covers up all the little lines in the butterfly. So just so you know, when you're using a little bit darker ink color, you may want to consider stamping off once and doing what we call second generation stamping. And that will allow those beautiful lines and details of the butterfly to come through. And then the punch just lines up right over the top of the butterflies and you can punch it out. So then I decided I was going to show you this, which is totally different colors, Berry Burst and Lemon Lime Twist. And I've sped the video up here a little bit because honestly it was pretty long. So I just kind of sped it up because I'm doing 3 cards all the same. I cut out these stitched rectangles using the new stitched rectangles in the Occasions catalog, which, oh my gosh, you get so many of them and they are awesome. I'm using crumb cake cardstock cut at 8.5 by 5.5, folded in half to make an A2 size card. I've got a piece of designer series paper here. This is the Botanical Butterfly designer series paper, and it is cut at 2.5 by 5.5, and it might be even 3 by 5.5. And by the way, that is free with a $50 order. So you can get free celebration items for every $50 you spend. So you could make 3 different orders at $50 over the course of a month or 2 months, or you could do 1 large order. I will tell you this, the best deal for your money is going to be purchasing the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit. You get $175 in product for $99. Or you can pay $129 and get the awesome Craft and Carry tote bag that is an exclusive offer during celebration. So if you have interest in any of those options, you can check out more information over on my blog at loveandstampin.com. All of the products I've used here today are listed below this video in the description. They're also listed over on my blog. FYI, if you do visit my blog or my website and you go to loveandstampin.com, you just want to click on blog in the top right hand corner and it will take you to my blog posts. You can there excuse me, you can there scroll down and look at my different blog posts, and you can even search blog posts by typing in the search bar. If you do purchase with me and you spend $150 or more, just be aware that you will also receive Stampin' Rewards from Stampin' Up! So you'll get 3 celebration items, plus you will get that awesome Stampin' Rewards product. And the amount varies depending on how much you spend. But again, the best deal for your money is definitely purchasing that starter kit. And no, you're not obligated to have parties and all that stuff. You can simply purchase the kit and then purchase at a 20% discount after that, which is a great deal also. Great way to save money. That's when I started doing this because I wanted to save that 20%. Okay, here are all the cards, and I was able to make these in like no time flat, and I have a few cards that I can send out to beautiful people in my life. If you want to see more videos from me, you can click on either one of the images that you see here. Click on the circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel. You can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com and visit my blog anytime. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.